Mr.
Nakuru, kamjambo.
Jambo.
Kamjambo Nakuru.
Jambo.
Praise the Lord. My name is Ibrahim Ranja, and I am governor aspirant for Nakuru County. Having vied last time, na nikakuja namba 3 in all the opinion polls, I think I am qualified to encourage the NGA just for a second. Allow me to encourage you kidogo tu.
Yes.
Now, we are born of forefathers who were courageous enough to fight for our country, to put their lives on line just to defend our nation. Now, sisi kama vijana, we cannot be put off by a mere phrase inaitwa broad-based government. We cannot be put off. Hiyo tumekataa as young people. Therefore, I would encourage you, young person mwenye uko hapo, be encouraged. Kama ni hizo kura unaomba, omba, jitume kabisa, just like I am doing. So that, come 2027, hatutakuwa na excuses, oh, sijui nani alienda wapi. Now, there is a lady, this story for the trees, alikuwa anaitwa aje? The Nobel Peace Prize winner for Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai used to give a story of the hummingbird. And allow me to retell the story kidogo tu. Now, kulikuwa na moto inawaka kwa msitu, and the hummingbird decided not to sleep. Akaamka and went to a nearby stream to fetch some water using her little beak and the feathers. And she attempted to put out the fire. Now, the elephant from a distance alikuwa amelala, akaona vile hummingbird anajitolea, akakuja akamuuliza, now hummingbird, do you really intend to put this fire off just by your tiny drops? And the hummingbird said, that I am only doing what I can. My generation, just do what you can. I want to call you again, my generation,
Yes.
just do the small bit you can. If you do your small bit, you do your small bit, and my small bit, we are going to together fix this nation.
Yes.
We cannot afford to be sleeping, young people. We cannot sleep any longer. Because we cannot afford to be competing with the dead, kwa kulala, and we expect or we hope to win in the land of the living. It is not possible, my friends.
Yes.
Therefore, I urge all of us to simame, tuamke. Lastly, as I finish, as I wind up, my brother, let us support the young people. If you are here, mchungaji, let us support these young people. There is a gentleman, an Englishman, alisema that it is very easy, that it is easier to build strong children. It is easier to build strong children than to repair weak and broken men and women. I repeat, it is easier, it is easier to repair, it is easier to build strong children than to repair broken and weak men and women. Mimi sijataja Ruto hapo, sijataja Kihika, lakini if the shoe fits, let them wear it. Asanteni.